Hey guys, Waffles, what happened is here, and I need to make this quick because they're going to do the weekly test in like 3 minutes. So right now it's 11:13 a.m. These two are going to be connected to WXM20 in Lincoln, Nebraska. This one's connected to KIH 61 in Omaha Valley, Nebraska.
The main pollutant was 29.97 inches and steady. Across eastern Nebraska at Norfolk, fog was reported with a temperature of 26. Considered good air quality, it was sunny with a temperature of 35. It was cloudy with a temperature of 39 at Omaha, 36 at Beatrice, and 39 at Nebraska City. Under cloudy skies, Plattsmouth reported 39, Columbus reported 31, and Fremont reported 35. Here are some observations from across the region. At Kansas City, drizzle was falling with a temperature of 42. At Sioux Falls, fog was reported with a temperature of 28. It was sunny with a temperature of 38 at Northland, 43 at Cheyenne, and 41 at Valentine. At Concordia, Kansas, it was cloudy with a temperature of 30. At Des Moines, rain and fog were reported with a temperature of 37. This is NOAA All Hazards radio station KIH 61 under cloudy skies. This hazardous weather outlook is for portions of southwest Iowa, west central Iowa, east central Nebraska, northeast Nebraska, and southeast Nebraska. For today and tonight, no hazardous weather is expected at this time. And now the extended outlook for the period Thursday through Tuesday, no hazardous weather is expected at this time. Spotter information statement. Spotter activation will not be needed. This is NOAA All Hazards radio station WXM20 in Lincoln, Nebraska. The current time is 11:15 a.m. Central Standard Time.
Should be doing it in a second now.
Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for the Lincoln area. Rest of today, cloudy late in the morning, then clearing. Highs in the lower 40s. Highs in the mid-40s. Northwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Friday night and Saturday, clear. Lows in the upper 20s. Tonight, clear. Lows in the upper 20s. This is the National Weather Service in Valley, Nebraska. The preceding audio signals and alarm tones were a test of the NOAA All Hazards Public Radio Warning Alarm System. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated by this signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the warning alarm system are conducted each Wednesday at 11:15 a.m. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test is then postponed until the next available non-severe weather day. The alarm tone causes weather radio receivers with the alarm tone feature to be turned on automatically. This alert lets you know that an emergency broadcast is about to be made. Weather radios with the alarm tone feature are available commercially. The emergency alert, alarm system codes, and alarm tones are used by the weather warnings and emergency messages for 51 counties in eastern Nebraska and southwest Iowa, plus Washington, Marshall, Nemaha, Brown, and Donovan counties of northeast Kansas, and Holt and Atchison counties in northwest Missouri. Once again, this has been a weekly test of the NOAA All Hazards Public Warning Alarm System. This concludes the weekly test. We now return to regular programming. At 11 in Lincoln.
Here's a scroll. Required weekly test on the WR100. Here's the scroll on the
9.97.
required weekly test. here's the scroll on here. Required weekly test.
Temperature of 42.
So, thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. Share your friends, family members, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.